Hello. So today for math, we are looking at patterns in our teams, looking for the structure. How are they made like they are? So if you look in your math book today, your first page right here, they want you to put counters in the red 5 frame, any amount of counters that you want. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to use this. This is my counter stamp. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to use red counters and I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I am going to write that number. I just put 3 counters. Oops, it's a little tricky writing on here. 3 counters in that 10 frame, in that 5 frame actually. Okay, so there's 3 here. Now they want you to look below the black line right here. Look to see this team number. Okay, so you have 110, and if I did the same amount of counters, 1, 2, 3, how would my number be similar to the number up above here in the 5 frame? So this is kind of looking at everything we've done to really, without even seeing an equation or anything, I want you to notice the similarities between the ones, like 3, the number 3, and then the number when you do 3 below a group of tens. That becomes one group of 10 and 3 ones. So what do we notice as a similarity? They both have 3 ones. So the top is 3 ones and the bottom is 3 ones, but the bottom has a group of 10 first. So that makes it 13. So if you look on the next page, let me see if I can turn to the next page here without moving things around too much. If you look at the next page, I'm going to see if I can move this away here. Move my picture. I'll move my picture up top here. So if you look down here, this is like a chunk from our hundreds chart taken out. We have 1 all the way to 20. So it's the first 20 numbers in our hundreds chart. And what they want you to see and realize is that you can figure out these equations just by looking at these numbers. Okay, so we found this number right here. This is the number we used on the page before. That's the number 3. Okay, and if we're going to go 10 more, it's going to bring us down right below it on the hundreds chart. Okay, so you're going to write 10 plus that number right here, 3, is going to bring us right under it. That is 10 more, and that number is 13. So if you go to the next page, I'm kind of working through this in your math today. So if you have your book with you, take it out so you can do it with me. Let's see, I'm trying to make the screen bigger, but I don't think I can. I'll go down below here. I'm just moving myself around. So if you look right here, and this is your blank equation, you have blank plus blank equals blank, okay? And you're looking at this number right here. I'm going to use this. I'll use red so we can see it. So this number is our ones, okay? So if we start with 10 plus, what's our ones? 7 more. Okay, it's going to be right under it. What's the answer? 17. Okay, what's 10 more than 2? 12. What's 10 more than 14? Then 4? 14. What's 10 more than 6? 16. So the answer to your 10 more is right below it. And you'll notice that's your 10 right there. It's your group of 10, but your ones stay the same. And that's going to be important because our next topic is all about numbers within 100, which if you could really understand the teens and what makes a teen number, especially in this lesson, that teen number is very close to the one right above it because they share the same ones, right? But the first number shows how many groups of 10, and there's one group of 10 in all our teen numbers. So if we look right here, our ones here, so if we have 10 plus 8 more, what's that going to give us? We start at 8, and what's 10 more? 18. Oop. Okay, and I'm going to have you do this one on your own. Okay, I'm going to go right down to this one here. Let's look at the equations we have so far. We have 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. So if we know that 10 plus 1 equals 11 and 10 plus 2 equals 12, then what is 13 made up of? 13 is made up of 10 made up of, I don't know why I can't go down to that bottom line, is one group of 10. So 13 is made up of 10 plus how many more? 3 more, right? Perfect. So I want you to try number 4 on your own today, and then I want you to go to the next page. Let's see here. This doesn't look like what I thought you. It looks like that one's a little tricky, and I wasn't really counting on that one. So if that's something that you want to try out on this page with your families, you can try this page out. It's a little tricky, and it says this. I'll read it to you, and then see, maybe we can figure it out together too. Okay? Mr. Shepherd's class will exchange cards at a holiday party. There are 16 students in the class. The store sells cards in packs of 10. Alex already has 6 cards. Marta already has 7 cards. How many cards will Alex and Marta have after they each buy 1 pack of cards? So this is easy. I think you can get this. So if he already has 6 cards and Marta already has 7 cards, okay, these are your numbers right here. What would his total of cards be if he bought 1 other pack of cards from the store? And again, the store only sells them in packs of 10. Okay, so I want you to think by looking at your numbers here, if he has a pack of 10 cards added on to the number he already started with, how many cards will he have to end? And if she buys 1 pack from the store that comes with 10, and the number that she started with, how many will she have at the end? I think you can do that. And it's only one problem, but I think you can get it. If you have any questions on math today, please don't hesitate to ask. Good luck. Have a good day.